Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Sony VPL-PHZ50 5000 lumens Wuxka laser projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. When it comes to projectors, brightness, reliability, and image clarity are what define the experience. The Sony VPL-PHZ50 brings all three in a compact, professional package. Delivering 5000 lumens of laser brightness, it provides vivid, sharp visuals even in well-lit spaces. Combined with Wuxka resolution, it ensures every detail, from presentations to videos, is crisp and easy to read. The design is straightforward yet elegant. A clean white exterior with a minimalist profile makes it suitable for classrooms, offices, or small home theater setups. There's no flashy gimmickry, just a projector that looks and feels professional. One of the standout features is the laser light engine. Traditional projectors rely on bulbs that need frequent replacement, but the VPL-PHZ50's laser source lasts up to 20,000 hours. That's years of consistent performance without maintenance, delivering stable brightness and color accuracy over time. Speaking of color, this projector handles it exceptionally well. Advanced Sony image processing maintains vibrant, natural colors with impressive depth in dark scenes and well-defined highlights. Edge-to-edge sharpness ensures visuals stay clean and professional, regardless of content type. Setup is incredibly flexible. Lens shift, zoom, and keystone correction allow precise alignment in almost any environment. Ceiling mount, rear, or front projection, this projector adapts to the space rather than forcing the space to adapt to it. Connectivity is versatile, featuring HDMI, USB, and LAN options. Integration with existing AV setups is smooth, and control capabilities allow for easy management across networks or devices. Whether running multimedia content or high-detail presentations, the projector is up to the task. Fan noise is low, even at full brightness, keeping the environment quiet and focused. Long sessions or presentations remain distraction-free, which is essential for professional use. In real-world performance, the Sony VPL-PHZ50 excels at reliability. Its high brightness and Wuxka resolution maintain clarity and consistency, and the laser light ensures years of trouble-free operation. It's ideal for schools, offices, conference rooms, or any space that demands dependable, professional-grade projection. While it's primarily a professional tool, its image quality is more than capable of handling movies or video content, offering a bright, immersive viewing experience. Overall, the combination of long-lasting laser brightness, high-resolution imaging, flexible installation options, and minimal maintenance makes the VPL-PHZ50 a standout in its category. For anyone who needs dependable, high-quality projection without compromise, this is a solid choice. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Sony VPL-PHZ50 5000 lumens Wuxka laser projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. Remember to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech breakdowns.